Hello and welcome to another short video tutorial how-to brought to you by the Panthera Academy. Today's video I'm going to show you how to change the clips on your Panthera X3 appliance. Before I start, a quick overview. Every appliance will be delivered with a full set of clips ranging from 1mm up to 5mm protrusion, and we also have the possibility of going 1mm retrusion. The X3 is a propulsion-based device, therefore longer clips increase protrusion, shorter clips decrease protrusion. I repeat, longer clips increase protrusion, shorter clips decrease protrusion. So with that in mind, I'm now going to show you how to change the clips on your Panthera X3. With device in hand, there are two separate devices, one lower arch, one upper arch. On the upper arch you will see we have the clips inserted. To remove the clips, I take my thumbnail, and using my thumbnail I dislodge the clip and remove the clip. I do the same on the other side. Thumbnail, push it out and remove the clip. Once I have both the clips removed, I now take my sheet of provided clips. You'll notice they range from 1mm all the way up to 5mm protrusion, and then I also have this range from 0.5 to -1mm retrusion. Once I've established the length of clip that I need, I'm going to remove them from the sheet and insert them into the appliance. Moving on, once I have my new clips, I'm going to start on one side, inserting the clips into the appliance, pushing in until I hear an audible click. I do the same on the other side, inserting the clip into the appliance and pushing until I hear an audible click. And with that, I now have the clips replaced with the new protrusion. I hope this video has helped you. If you have any further questions or need more information or more assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. From the Academy, thank you for attending. Until next time, goodbye.